Hi, so let's continue, okay, on the plotting. Now, so we have looked at the normal plots. Okay, just let me do a quick recap. The normal plots, all right, which you can draw a line with the XY data that you have. You can plot multiple graphs on the same plot, all right, with different with same X coordinates and different Y values, okay, or different XY values as well, okay. And then the subplots, okay, again this is one row and three columns. You can of course have as many subplots as you like. You can have 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 2, up to you, correct? Up to you how you want to arrange the subplots. And then we also looked at scatter plots. All right, and the last thing that I'm going to look at today is bar charts. All right, so bar charts, I think most of us are very familiar. Okay, we use that quite extensively from Microsoft Excel and so on. Okay, so how do I create bar charts? Again, we import matplotlib as pyplot as plt, and we need to have our data first. Okay, so I'm going to do a simple plot of grades versus marks. Okay, and y will be the number of students, okay, getting these different grades. Okay, and to do a bar plot, you just plot plt dot bar, okay, x and y, okay, x and y. All right, so let's run this first to have a look. So you can see that the plots are showing, and as before, we need to have three things: plot dot title, okay, class performance, okay, plot dot x label, okay, which is the grades, and plot dot y label, number of students, and finally plot dot show. Okay, so you can see the graph over here. So it's a fairly easy way to do it. Just need your x and y data points and then plot dot bar, okay, and after that is your title, x label and y label. Now you can also change the orientation. All right, instead of vertical you can make it horizontal. So all you need to do is from bar you change to bar h. Okay, so of course if you change to bar h, then the x label and y label will change. So this will now become the y label and this will become the x label. Okay, so the grades are on the y-axis and the number of students is on the x-axis. Okay, and if you want to change the color, okay, you can also go ahead and do it. So you can say color equals to green. Okay, then you can change the color. Alright, so this gives you again another way of representing your data. Okay, so again, visualization of data is very important because just looking at numbers is not easy to make sense of it. Alright, but if I am able to visualize it, it will help me a lot. Alright, in understanding how the data is being spread out, okay, or how it is changing over time. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.